It's Vlogtober day 6. Hey world travelers, welcome back to my channel. If you're subscribed and if you are new, welcome to the world of Wiz. I'm Wiz and I hope that you do stick around and subscribe to become a part of my world. Today is Vlogtober day 6. This is gonna be like a Wednesday with Wiz. It is currently, it is late. It's 11:30 in the morning. And I woke up maybe like 20 minutes ago. Like fully woke up 20 minutes ago. I was trying to rest this morning and I'm glad I was able to get some rest in. But I got a dog and I got responsibilities. So I'm about to take him out potty and then we have to come back and clean this house and then decorate for fall. So I have some laundry that I need to fold up. I got a lot of things that I have to do. So we're gonna try to knock these things out. So we're gonna handle that. And I'm guessing he told me he gotta go out. So let's take care of my son's son. Let's go potty. Let's go. Oh, okay. So I don't know if I ever told you guys this story, but a few months ago, there's this patch of grass in front of our apartment, and I usually let Simba, you know, use the restroom here. But one of these days, there was a black snake slithering between my legs and aiming for Simba. And I know black snakes aren't poisonous, but y'all, a snake is a snake, and I don't do snakes. I will do a gator before I do a snake. Like literally in elementary school, they taught us how to outrun a gator. So I could do a gator before I do a snake. And I was petrified. So Simba was like mid squat doing number 2. And I like had to like pull him with his leash, like to like get away from, you know, harm's way. And there was people outside and no one came to check up on me to be like, are you okay? Like none of my neighbors like was like, what's wrong with you? Like I screamed loud, and if you know me, I'm dramatic. I'm very dramatic. And no one was like doing a courtesy like check on me. Like Keith literally came out and was like, what's wrong? I'm like, there's a snake. But Simba has to use the restroom and I can't do it. So it's taken me months to come back and use this patch of grass. But if they haven't cut it in a while, I refuse because it's just too tall and I'm not about to have an incident with another snake. But like after that incident happened with me, Keith spotted the snake, and then one day we were in our living room and then we both spotted it together. So like I don't know if it's just one or if it's like several of them, but it's a big no for me. I don't do snakes.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
I don't care what they say.
Falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you, no.
So amazing. Take it to the car. Let's just pace it till it's early in the morning.
I'm building trust from the distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say. passive with the things you say.
Thank you, baby. Oh, you sweaty. See you later. I'm gonna take a little lunch break. I was just gonna eat the food that we had at the house, but yeah, he know me. He know me. He know me. The thing is, do he got the sauce? Polynesian. Polynesian. He lucky we got Chick-fil-A sauce at the house, but Polynesian. Now you know your woman don't eat no Polynesian sauce. This is usually his lunch break hour, and when I'm on the road, he comes home. He comes home and he feeds Papa's, and he takes him out during his lunch break. But since I'm home, he usually comes and enjoys his lunch break at home, and he'll eat whatever leftover from dinner the night before. But I guess he's busy at work, and he was only able to pick me up some food, and he brought some back home. I wasn't expecting him to do that. So before I eat, I'm gonna feed Simba so we can eat around the same time. Oh, okay. I figured. I'm washing his sheets, so we have some Chick-fil-A sauce in the bottle, and he also has his version of the Polynesian sauce. So I think he knew because we had sauce at the house. He didn't get none from me, but that's okay. Grateful that he brought home food. So I'm about to eat and then continue cleaning. I'm doing good on time. It's like 1 o'clock, and get some apple juice. So I had to move these decorations from a plastic bin into a box because Papa's went crazy and he destroyed some of my decorations. He destroyed this one too, but it's not too bad. So let's have a talk. Mommy is about to put her fall decorations up. We're not gonna chew this, okay? This is not for Simba, okay? This is for decorations, for the house to look nice. We don't chew on this. Smell it. And no. Oh, my friend's calling us. Hey, sis. Hey! Hey, road travelers. So it's a little later in the afternoon, and I'm so proud of myself because I knocked out cleaning the living room, the kitchen, our bedroom that I didn't think I was gonna do, and the bathroom. And I have my final load in the washer and dryer, so I'm handling business. The only thing that I need to clean is like this front room area. And it's a disaster. It's a disaster. It's a disaster. And I'm not up for cleaning that, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and knock it out. But other than that, I did sanitize Simba's crate. I got some sheets in there for him. I made a little rookie mistake and burnt his day bed because I forgot to take the... Did we not have a talk with him? Hold on, sit. Did I not just tell you about them pumpkins? Look at me. Didn't I just have a talk about the pumpkins? Simba, you better behave yourself. But I'm going to vacuum. We got some Pet Fresh carpet eliminator, carpet odor eliminator. Every time he comes from being outside, I do sanitize his paws. Let me show you guys. We have this paws sanitizing spray, and I wipe down his paws because it's outside and it's dirty. I kind of want to start putting shoes on him, so when we go outside, I could pop them shoes on him because we do let him on the couch, but in order for him to get on the couch, he has to get sprayed down. His paws got to get sprayed down, and he has to get wiped. So yeah, once I buy him a new bed, I think I was telling, oh yeah, I put his day bed in the dryer, and the cotton on the inside kind of burnt it apart. And then his like nighttime bed, the zipper broke. I was being a little too rough, and the zipper broke, and I didn't want him playing with the stuffing, so I need to get him 2 beds. And when we first got him, like, people in the stores were like, don't spend so much money on the bed, you know, he's gonna rip it apart. But Simba likes to be comfortable, and he did not rip them apart. Like, Simba likes comfort. Like, if Simba could stay on our couch all day every day, he would. But yeah, that's all that I have to do. So also our dry erase board. If you watched our video, how I maintain my lifestyle, I spoke about having a dry erase board, so I do need to update it for October. So that's something else that I have to do. I put some fresh water, washed all his feeding and drinking bowls, and yeah, I'm off to a good start. I'm feeling productive. I still need to edit a few vlogs because I'll be going to work soon. Oh yeah, I gotta pack my bags for work. I just had to come on here and say that I was trying to like advertise that vlog. I have a vlog going up today. And Instagram, all of social media is down. Instagram is down, Facebook is down. Like, I can't. So rude. So rude. Ugh. All of Instagram, all of Facebook is down. Like, I can't do nothing. So I didn't realize it. I don't know how long it's been happening, but I just Googled if social media was down, and it was a yes. So I've been cleaning all day. Then I ain't even real. You really disrespectful. Like, you so disrespectful. So yeah, I won't be able to advertise a vlog that will be going up today, but that's okay, because if you're a loyal subscriber, you would know that Vlogtober is going on. You would know Vlogtober is happening and to tune in and to have your post notifications on. So that's that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yep. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you. No. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't
Hey,
blame you.
travelers. So I ended up taking a nap, so disregard like my sleepy puppy face. But I did want to go ahead and close out today's vlog. I hope you all enjoyed my little clean with me session and getting the house nice and tight for fall. Be sure to give this video a like. Let me know what your favorite season is down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogtober day 7. Bye bye bye.